control. And that's when you bad motherfuckers are gonna say, with my knuckles, can you do it? Kaneda can or Kaneda can't? Well, you know you fucked up, right? You just gave me a chance to cause a little bit of chaos and talk a whole bunch of shit. So, we're gonna have some fun. Cool? You guys cool with this? You sure? You okay? Watch this. We're going to play a little game called Ivan Says. It's a lot like Simon Says.